According to a news released on the 8th of November on the official website of the Times of India, the Indian Ministry of Defence has signed a contract with the heavy vehicles factory located at Avadi in Chennai to produce 469 Russian T-90 main battle tanks, which could be in the MS variant of the T-90 family. This order will boost the Indian Army capabilities along the western sector of the India-Pakistan border. Once the delivery completed, the Indian Army will have over 1,500 of these tanks. Pakistan has also launched talks with Russia to acquire the same tank. Currently, the Indian Army uses the T-90MS under the local name of Bhishma, produced under license in India. The first batch of 10 license-built T-90 Bhishma was inducted in the Indian Army on the 24th of August 2009. India plans to have 29 tank regiments of T-90MS by 2020.